What's up everyone, welcome to Rare Liquid, and this is update number 7 of my attempt of trying to go from 0 to $1 million in 12 months. Now, if you guys have been following this journey so far, then you know that we're way off of our goals and we're definitely not gonna hit that $1 million in 12 months unless some kind of crazy miracle happens. So I'd give myself probably like a less than 0.1% chance, but a lot of you guys have been asking about, where's the next update, and have left in the previous videos comments that you would like to keep seeing these updates. So I'm gonna just keep doing them until the 12th update. With that said, today's agenda looks like this. I'll first be discussing August results. I'll then go over a really big strategy update, and then I'll end with the giveaway winner. Okay, so first up, let's go over August results. In terms of subscribers, we fell far short of the goal of 115,000 and grew by 5,085 subscribers to end the month at 37,184. YouTube ad revenue also stayed relatively steady at $1,160 as the YouTube gods unfortunately did not bless us with a viral video this month. Next up is Patreon, which actually saw a pretty noticeable uptick to $2,614, and I'll explain later on why we saw a big jump here. Next up is affiliates and sponsors, which also shot up to a healthy $4,130. And lastly, our courses, which is actually just me selling my resume and cover letter, and this brought us $165. So in total, we fell far short of our goal of $44,000, but we did make $8,069, which is the most we made in any month so far. Alright, so now let me tell you a little bit about why we were able to bounce back up in terms of our revenue and go from something like $4,000 to $8,000 this month. Basically what happened is in July, I was traveling the entire month going from LA to SF to New York, and I wasn't really pumping out many videos and not being super active in the Discord community. And then I came back to Korea in the first week of August, and basically, to be honest, I have no friends in the city that I'm currently in. And so whenever, I do go to Seoul, I have some friends there and I hang out with them on the weekend. So basically what I'm trying to say is when I came back to Korea, I was quarantining for 2 weeks, and just pretty much all of August, I was working nonstop every single day. I also started being super active on Discord, started sending out earnings analyses every week for stocks, added some moderators to the Discord, and so all of that really added together and allowed the Patreon and Discord community to grow. And so even though we didn't hit our lofty August goals that I projected out, I think there's just a lot of momentum going on right now. And I know we're kind of like 10 days already into September when I post this video, but basically I have some visibility as to what next month is gonna look like. And I think we're definitely gonna hit 10K and go kind of a little bit beyond that. And so I'm pretty excited to show you guys next month. And yeah, I think all of that effort that I was putting in over the past month or so has been just paying off. Also right now it's 6 a.m. here in Korea. I've been up late just working on a bunch of things. So if you think that I'm like slurring a little bit in this video, it totally might be happening, but would really appreciate a like for this video. All right, now next up, let's talk about my really big strategy update. To put it simply, we're creating our own personal website, and we're going to be completely moving off of Patreon, and I'm pretty excited about working on this and releasing it later this December or January because there's just going to be a ton of features and information on there. I'm going to have all of the research that I do in text form for my videos on there. I'm going to have the models I build, the financial database I send every week, my portfolio for stocks, crypto, ETFs, options. All that stuff is going to be on one website. It's going to be just way better than Patreon. And so I think it's going to be super worth it. And I'm not going to really increase the prices versus like what I'm charging on Patreon right now. So you're going to get access to just a whole lot more stuff, but still pay the same amount on Patreon right now. Making the website is going to cost around $13,000 because we're going to have a lot of custom features and the design is going to be pretty slick. So yeah, it's a pretty big investment, but you know what they say, scared money don't make money. All right, anyway, last up, let's see who the giveaway winner is. In the last update, I promised to give away 5% of my YouTube earnings through my Instagram, and my revenue this month was $8,069, so that's $403. For Instagram, using this random comment picker, Cherry X Blossoms is our winner, so if that's you, just DM me on Instagram. Unfortunately, because we are just spending so much on the website and also are growing other parts of the business where we need to spend money on, I realized that we need to actually save some money up. And so no giveaway for this month. Really sorry. I'll try to bring it back sometime probably next year if I can. Alright, so that wraps up the video. Thank you guys as always for watching. Hope to catch you in the next one. Thanks and peace out.